Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and this is Quick Learn. And for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Siri not working on your iPhone. Any version of your iPhone will surely work on fixing this Siri issue. First things first, check on your microphone if it's working. Make sure that your microphone is not being blocked that makes Siri not hear you well. For our second method, check your Hey Siri settings. So to do that, go to Settings, scroll down and tap on Siri and search. And make sure that Listen for Hey Siri is turned on. If it's not, just simply turn it on and then do the simple steps that it's telling us to set up. If any of these methods still didn't work, try on checking new updates on iPhone. To do that, go back to Settings, General, and Software Update. If there's a new version that needs to be updated, just simply click Download and Install. Make sure that you also have more than 20% of battery, or 50, when installing a new version, so that there would be no errors or interruptions. And it's simple as that. If you think this video is helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments or suggestions? Feel free to comment down below.